In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage labels on your Trello cards. Trello is an amazing project management tool that helps organize and prioritize your tasks across easily manageable boards and cards. Labels are an effective way to categorize and quickly identify your cards, making it easier to sort and maintain clarity on your board. First, make sure you're logged into Trello. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start by navigating to the specific board where your desired card is located. Take a moment to find the card you want to add a label to and click on it to open further details about the card. Now, within the card, you'll see various options. Look for the one titled Labels. Click on this and you will see a list of existing labels available on your board. These labels will be shown with color options, offering you a quick visual cue for any labels already in play. If you want to add an existing label to your card, simply click the checkbox next to your chosen label and it will be applied. However, if you want to create a brand new label, things are just as straightforward. To do this, locate the pencil or edit icon, typically found beside a color, in the Labels menu. Go ahead and click that. You will be prompted to add a name for your new label and to choose a color that best represents it on your board. Once you're satisfied with your selections, make sure to click Save to confirm and create your new label. After you've added labels to your card, they'll be visible directly on the front of the card as a colored bar. If your label is named, the text will also accompany the color, giving you both a verbal and visual representation right on the card's face. This feature is particularly helpful when you're scanning through multiple cards and need to identify categories quickly. Managing your labels is an essential part of Trello's functionality. To edit or delete one of your labels, enter back into the Labels menu and find the label you want to modify. Click on the pencil icon beside it to bring up the editing options. Here, you have the flexibility to rename it, change its color, or remove it entirely if it's no longer needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently add and manage labels on your Trello cards, giving your projects more structure and clarity. Labels are a simple yet powerful tool to help keep your work organized and visually coherent. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Trello experience is now more streamlined and effective.